Welcome to the training on Company Form IEPF-5 E-Verification Report, an important process for companies and banks to file verification reports with the Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority, or IEPFA. The E-Verification Report, filed under Rule 7.3 of the IEPF Authority Rules 2016, simplifies how companies and banks verify claimant details. Within 30 days of receiving a claim, companies must submit an online verification report through the MCA Portal, attaching all certified documents received from the claimant. To begin, the nodal or deputy nodal officer logs into the MCA Portal. Go to Pending for Action and click on File E-Verification against the respective IEPF-5 SRN. Select the claim type, original or resubmitted, and enter the SRN. Fill in company or bank details, applicant and entity details, and select whether the claim is for shares, amount, or both. Provide the recommendation, refund amount, and reason if rejected. DMAT and bank details auto-populate from IEPF-5. In point number 7, the depository in which the company has conducted corporate action is to be entered, i.e. CDSL/NSDL. If only amount only case, then others must be entered. Enter security details with active ISIN. Type of source account, physical/DMAT. Account type of source account to be entered. NSDL if source folio is 16-digit and starts with IN. CDSL if source folio is 16-digit account number, and physical if source folio was in physical form. Fill other details as required, i.e. folio DMAT number, IEPF-4 SRNs. Date of transfer and number of share proposed for refund. Validate records with NSDL or CDSL. Free balance reflects number of shares pending with IEPFA. Complete all required fields like valuation, includes market valuation of CMP of shares on date of filing and amount of dividend proposed for refund, UDIN, unique document identification number, to be taken from front office search facility. Attach scanned certified documents, up to 10 megabytes per file in PDF or JPG format. Review the form, click Submit, and download the PDF. Affix the digital signature certificate, then upload the signed document again through My Applications. No fee applies for this form. Click Confirm Submission, then check your application status under the Under Processing tab. And that's it. Your IEPF-5 E-Verification Report is now successfully filed. Together, let's make investor protection efficient, transparent, and digital.